Let's build a complete website in just a few minutes using only HTML and CSS. We'll start with the header section, which contains the website title and a navigation bar with links to home, about, services, and contact. Next, we add a hero section, a big background image with some text and a button to encourage visitors to get started. After that comes the About Me section, where we give a short description about the purpose of the website. Then, we create a Services section. Here, we design 3 modern cards that describe services like web design, development, and SEO. Each card has hover effects to make the design look more interactive and professional. Now, we add a Contact section with a simple form where visitors can type their name, email, and message before sending it. And finally, we complete the structure with a footer that contains a copyright message. Now let's move to the CSS to make everything stylish and attractive. First, we reset margins and apply a clean font across the website. The header gets a background color, padding, and white text. Navigation links are styled with spacing and hover effects for smooth transitions. The Hero section is styled with a large background image, centered text, and a button that changes color when hovered. The About section is kept simple, with proper spacing and centered text. The Services section is designed with attractive cards using shadows, padding, and rounded corners. On hover, the cards lift slightly, making the design more engaging. The Contact section's form inputs are styled with padding, rounded borders, and spacing. The button changes color on hover for a modern touch. And finally, the footer is styled with a dark background and centered white text to balance the design. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've built a fully responsive and modern-looking website using only HTML and CSS.